Found it in the dried up pond.
Nice.
Set it up on the ridge this time, huh?
Yeah. Very old petroglyphs.
You can explain to your viewers that last time we were here, we could have swam in this?
Last time we were here, we could have swam, but look at it now. It's
All dried up, isn't it?
And it just rained too here.
Yep.
And it's still not a drop.
We had lots of rain. Lots of rain. Bruce, what are we doing here today? We're looking for water, huh? Not finding any.
With Kyler.
And cool Native American stuff. Lauren, did you find some stuff you want to show us? With Kyler. That's right. Kyler's with us today. Anything you want to show us?
Where's the other stuff?
Is that right there?
Yeah.
Very
the other
nice.
stuff is over here.
Animals are desperate. They're digging in all this. Whoa, look at that lizard. There's something like that.
He's dark.
Look at his head. Orange.
Orange underbelly, huh? I don't know what kind he is. Pretty though.
Oh, he's a blue belly with orangeness. I can see a little bit of blue on his belly.
Show us what you found.
Small part of a grinding stone and then these. This grinding stone?
Oh, hold that still.
It's all broken up, but it was a grinding stone.
Cool.
Starts
So
right
you can
there.
see it. Yep.
Wavy line all the way across to here. Something down there I can't tell, but then right here there's 1, 2, 3, potentially 4 people. More people right there. I can't tell what that is. 2 more. And there's 1 more right here. I can't tell what he is. Man, there's pottery all under our feet too.
Yep. That's cool.
That lizard has like a yellow part of a grinding stone.
What's this guy?
It's a rim.
Nice.
Check that
Look
tool
at
out.
this. Yep, come back. Nope. Got away.
Interesting, huh?
Yeah, what do you think they're going to use it for? It's cool.
Caught another lizard. Look at this. Look.
Yeah, when did you get so good at catching lizards?
Yeah.
It's very cool.
Where?
Right, that rock you're standing next to?
This one or that one?
That one.
Up on top?
Yeah.
Puddle?
I gotta see water.
Tyler found like a big hole, and we dropped some cable down. We found the bottom, but really far down. It took all of cable, and look at that big hole.
Let me get a rock. Listen.
See how far it goes down?
Ready?
There's definitely water down there.
Did you hear that?
There's definitely water down there.
The old ranchers used, there's obviously a rain catch here, and they used Moki marbles as their cement filler. They'd be crucified for that nowadays. Red piece I told you already.
Water.
Everywhere. This is a nice
Not for
one.
that. I was just gonna show you that little red piece of
Guys,
water.
I'm gonna go get the white bucket and see if we can catch any of these polywogs. They're all over in there.
Well, if they're teeny tiny, there's no point. No, don't catch
They're
those.
tiny. They're not teeny.
Where are they at?
We're gonna like let me catch
Where
some.
are the triops? See the little teeny guys?
Yeah, they aren't out
And there's
yet.
little teeny.
Hey, that guy's
shrimp.
eating something.
Yeah, they're eggs.
Eating the eggs?
Yeah, there's eggs in here that they're
Cannibals!
eating. Oh, this is surprising. Right? There's little shrimp. I got a polywog for you guys to see up close. You need to take a picture, Mom.
That coming.
Dad, come look at all these shrimp.
That coming.
Dad, come look at all these shrimp.
I'm coming.
They're small. But look at all of them. Where's
Ooh.
Tyler going? See all this?
He's wandering. You caught none.
We try to catch one this time. Almost caught
We're
one
out looking
that
for water.
Wait.
We are hoping that that storm comes over us and we can catch an awesome monsoon. Water running through these cracks is amazing.
And
We've been lucky. How many times, Mom?
Trilobite. There's baby trilobite.
Twice? Baby tryout?
Heck, there's all over. Look at them little babies.
Ah, yeah, they are teeny. They're starting, aren't they?
Oh, man. Let me try to
Fine.
catch one for you guys to see up close.
There's more over there too. See them? That is just alive.
Is it?
Oh my gosh.
With triops, you said?
What are
Oh.
Shrimp.
they? Those are all desert shrimp?
Uh-huh.
No, they look like little teeny baby triops. Look, they have the big heads.
Yeah, I can see the triop shadows.
Yeah, those are all trilobites.
Yeah,
And then there's shrimp too. Oh yeah, thank you, Cloud. Just hang around for a while, would you?
rain.
That's what happens when it rains in the desert. Life booms.
Most of these are desert shrimp.
Wow, how did we not see any of these ponds from the truck?
I know, it's crazy. The trick's right
Oh,
there.
this one's even more alive. More pollywogs than this one. Yeah, this has more pollywogs than I've seen. Are those eggs floating?
Yeah, all the round things are eggs.
Wow.
Those are just eggshells from the...
Come again. Good. Save the pollywogs!
Shrimp don't matter, there's way too many shrimp, right, Dad?
Well, they'll just go down into that one.
Yeah.
Ooh, that is hot water. Cool, that's enough.
Cloud coaster.
That's cool.
I want to keep doing it. Yeah, let's keep
That's what
doing
we're wanting to see with the rainstorm.
Yes.
it. I'm just interested.
Gabe, look at the rainbow right at the edge of the clouds. Look at the rainbow right at the edge of the clouds.
Mom, you should come check this ponds out.
I should? Why?
They're really cool.
Okay. Oh yeah, cool. It's cool.
Yeah. Follow it. I'm the
Yep.
cool.
I see. Very cool.
Such a long narrow crack. It's fun to watch.
Yeah, it is. Oh, Thorn. I got that.
Trying to make it go to the next pond that's dry.
Yeah, that's cool. Alright, so we found this on the way back. What did it say, babe?
Butler Creek Core, Jackson Hole, Wyoming.
And when we open it, it's like got black powder in it. Is that a flare? Let us know if you've ever seen that before.
Jack, we found ponds over there in a red box. Here, there is nothing. On this middle of an arrowhead.
I don't know how storms work.
On.
It could be all the way off.
Okay, on this, whatever it's called. Right here. This way. Maybe not.
So here we are. We have the whole place to ourselves. Not getting very lucky with rain. Got a little sprinkle.
Dad,
Yeah.
I regret not bringing my Protoss.
What?
I regret not bringing my Protoss.
Oh, I'm sorry. But that storm might get here at about 7 o'clock. So we're debating if we want to stay. Either way, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. What about you?
No. Thorn, what just happened?
We almost got
Lightning strike
struck by
appeared
lightning.
right on top of us.
Right, we were on top of the knoll And it struck like right on top or something.
But at least it didn't touch the ground. It just lit up the clouds.
Yeah, all the hair on our arms.
Yeah. My hairs are just sticking up.
I don't think I've seen this family move so fast in its whole life.
That was quick.
Off the top. Now we're trying to decide what to do.
Let's take shelter right in there.
I think it hit too.
So it hit and then there was some in the cloud above us or what?
That was just the charge we felt. Went through all our arms.
I saw
Yeah, it lit up.
above
Let's
us.
go right there, and that should be our shelter.
I don't think that's gonna protect us.
Well, it's better than going to the truck. The truck's better.
Well, the truck's safe from lightning,
Well, we can't see this
but you can't see the storm.
Well, while we're sitting here deciding, let's die by getting
We're all
struck.
together.
Well, what about his family?
Come on, Dad.
You'll be the only sad one. Oh, okay. Would you be sad today?
What?
Would you be sad today?
He doesn't think that far ahead, okay?
Dad, what are you doing? I thought we were going to go to the truck.
Lauren, this is our best chance to get in rain.
Well, still, it's our best chance.
That's what we're heading for. That was empty when we came in. Now the tree's covered. Are we gonna be able to make it through that?
You have to go around that way.
Hold on. Roll your window. Gonna get messy.
We got stuck. I got it on camera. Wow. Yeah, look at that. Pouring in.
That's incredible.
Yep.
All that water, you're telling me all that water was in a cloud.
It was all on a cloud. I gotta take it out.
This was flooding.
That was flooding up and over the.
Wow.
Yep. Yep.
I was swishing.
It was swishing for sure.
Those are the type of
That's the road I
floods.
say we should take home.
Oh, it's collecting. Oh.
Smell it?
Ah.
Smell it, guys? In that fire?
Oh my goodness.
I don't know if we'll make it.
No, we're gonna make it.
Look at that, it's still running really good.
No, we need to get out and get a picture.
This is perfect for this trout. Right?
Yep. Let's get a cross out of this silk.
Wow.
Oh,
my god.
jeez.
Ah.
You want to get a picture of that, you said?
Oh, look though.
Okay, we're not gonna make it.
We're gonna make it.
Reminds me of the Jumanji 2. We're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. Wow.
That's awesome, guys.
That's
We're going up a
crazy.
flood river right now. Cool.
Dang.
Cool.
I
I want to get out.
Never do this.
That was a bad
This is a
example.
naughty.
Kyler.
It's a lot of water.
A lot of rain.
Yay. Did it rain in the house?
Man, it's so slushy.
How much did it rain?
I don't know. Oh my goodness.
That's so cool.
Our house is close to the
Cool, guys. That's so neat. Here.
We can get out. It's
Don't-
really cool.
Don't stop. Looks like somebody went through this before us.
I know. That's why I'm not too worried.
Well, this one would
Because it would have been higher when they went through.
That's that much there. We're gonna have to go up and over. All this is we going down that wash. is a big slushy pit. Oh shit. Stepping in. What was that?
I'm trying. Like, stop it on me. Oh,
You gotta hold it down.
I know.
What's that?
That was a little close.
That was close. That's closer than I like it to be.
It's a Jeep.
Uh-oh. Are they stuck?
Came on this, he would sink.
That's not coming.
If Dad came on this, he would sink. How did Tyler just walk over there? Are you going down back the same way? Are you going back the same way? No?
He's up there. He's too scared.
Hold on, it's gonna be bumpy.
I think the trick has to have to go to it.
Yeah, it's pretty dang cool.
Thanks. Thanks for watching. Hope you see you in the next video. Hope you subscribe. Bye.
Thanks. Made it.
Yeah, we made it through the giant flood of insanity.
Yep.
Bye.